Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is day 232, 232, right? So today was not an extraordinary day, but it was filled with challenges. It was extraordinary, but and honestly, I think today is the day that I would consider as a day that matters the most. So let's start from the beginning. I woke up around at 9 a.m. today. It took me a little time to properly get started, uh, but somehow I got ready around. I got ready around 10 a.m. and that is when the actual day start from 10 to 7 p.m. Most of my day was completely dedicated to work, and currently the major thing I'm working is on Agentic AI. And now, if you have been following my journey, you probably know I have been getting more and more involved in AI development recently. And let me tell you something, Agentic AI is challenging for me as likely a genuine challenge because there is so much to understand. It's not just about writing some code and getting an output. There are concepts to understand, different implementation to figure out, different approaches to test, and then there is the whole process of actually making everything work together on the local, on the production server. Sometimes you understand something theoretically, but when you try to actually implement, you are like, okay, where is this not, why is this not working? Or and then you spend hours trying to figure out what went wrong. Then pretty much what my workday had been looking like lately. I'm learning things while simultaneously trying to implement them, and I think that one of the hardest part, because when you're learning something completely new, you don't always a new you don't always have a new roadmap, or you learn one thing and then you lead to another thing, then you discover another concept, then you realize that you need to understand something else before you can properly implement the original thing. And suddenly one task becomes a whole learning journey. But at the same time, I genuinely enjoy the challenge because I know that I'm learning something that is going to extremely valuable going forward. So today, from 10 to 2 p.m., I was completely focused on work. Around 2 p.m., I took my lunch break, and after that, from 3 to 7 p.m., I continue working. And again, most of my time went into the development, figuring out, learning, debugging, and trying different implementations. There are definitely moments where I felt stuck, but I think they're just part of the progress or process. Whenever you're learning something new, there always be moment where you feel like you are not like processing fast enough, or progressing fast enough, or learning fast enough. But you might compare yourself to the people who seems to know everything already. You might look at someone else project and think, how are they doing all of this? I don't understand the basic things. But I have started realizing that when you really can't like think like that, everyone is somewhere on their own journey, and the only thing I really need to compete with is the person I was yesterday. So yeah, I so if today I only understand one concept better than I did yesterday, and that's still process of learning, and that's something I'm remind myself of working at. Anyways, so from 7 to 8 p.m. I finally stepped away from my laptop and did my workout, and honestly, this 1 hour felt completely different from the rest of the day. After my workout was done, from 8 to 10 p.m., I spent time with my family. We had dinner together, talked for a while, and honestly, after such a long way, this is probably one of the best or the most relaxing part of my day. So after like having dinner with them and spending some time, After 10 to 11 p.m., I finally had some time completely for myself. I didn't do just no work, no laptop, no development, or just some quiet time, me relaxing, doing my skincare, lying on bed and just closing my eyes to get a little out of my hectic day. Is It's around the end of the day. I'm recording this vlog now. It's 11 p.m. And honestly, when I look back today, it wasn't some super exciting day. It was just normal day. I woke up, I worked, I learned, I struggled, I worked out, I spent time with my family, I had some time for myself, and now I am ending the day. But I think that the whole point of the journey is about not every day is going to be exciting, but not every day is going to be productive in the way you imagined. And I think I'm still learning, I'm still figuring out things out, and I'm still trying to become better at what I do, and especially with everything I'm currently learning around agentic AI. I know there is still a way to go. There are going to be more difficult days. These are difficult days, but I think there are going to be more difficult days, and there are going to be bugs and stuff, and but we will figure it out anyway in the end. So yeah, that was day 232. Another day completed, another day of learning, another day of working toward the things I want to achieve. If you're still watching and haven't liked the video, please make sure to like the videos and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And please leave a comment down below telling me how your day went, or any suggestion, free. I have read all the suggestions, guys, and I'm really working on that. I read Rekha's comment, and there were all other people, everyone saying that edit your video. I do read. I understand what you are trying to impose, but I'll make a video about why I not being able to do things, and I think you will guys understand. So one step at a time, and eventually you will look back and realize how far you have come. So that's it. That's the day. I see you guys tomorrow with another day, another vlog, and another step forward. Till then, take care, stay healthy. Tata, bye.